Die! Hi! I'm Vance here, and I'm selling you Rain. Yes, that's right. You can now buy Rain. Yes, but you might have asked yourself before, why can you buy everything except for Rain? I mean, you can buy lightning and thunder, right? No. But now you can buy Rain to add to that wonderful collection. That's right, for only 3 payments of $19.95, we will send you a whole gallon of Rain, if we can collect that much. So call now. That's 1-800-YOU-RAIN. 1-800-YOURAIN. And if you call in the next 5 minutes, we will double your order. That's right, you will get 2 possible gallons of Rain. That's right, 2 possible gallons of Rain. Yeah. So call in the next however much time you have left.
Well, I don't understand.